If you want your home to make a statement, it all starts on the outside. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about putting a little glitz and glamour on your driveway right after this. What's the first step of any building or repair project? I always make sure I have the tools and materials I need, starting with the QuickRead mobile app. With easy one-touch access, you can watch project video instructions, quickly pull up a material shopping list, and make sure you have what you need, or use the app to figure out how much you need and find out where to buy it. You can even share your finished project via the Quick Share function. It's the tool you can use from start to finish. Download the QuickRead mobile app on the App Store or Google Play today. For many homes, the driveway is one of the largest surface areas that people first see, second only to the yard. Adding character to an otherwise dull, boring concrete can really make your home stand out. Brick borders are one way to add a little spice, but here's an easy-to-do idea that involves very little effort but has a huge impact. Masonry sealers can be applied to a concrete drive as easily as rolling on paint. Even easier if you pour the sealer into a pump-up sprayer to coat the surface, then use a paint roller on an extension pole to make sure it covers evenly. While a natural look will help protect the concrete and prolong the life of your driveway, you can choose a wet look or a high-gloss sealer that enhances the surface color of the drive and sets your home apart from the rest. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.